Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will begin on Android by enabling developer options and USB debugging. This is required to send location commands. Once done, connect the phone to your PC or install a reputable GPS spoofing app. Make sure to back up critical data and log into accounts now, because granting mock location or ADB access often prompts re-authentication. You're starting with the minimum: device access, a tool, ADB or app, and verified backups. Proceed only when those three are confirmed to avoid data loss later. Now set the fake location using your chosen method. If you used an app, select it in Developer Options as the mock location provider and choose coordinates or record a route. If you prefer ADB, run geofix or geofence commands to push latitude/longitude. Adjust the update interval and reported accuracy to match realistic movement. Verify success by opening Maps and any location-restricted app. If the app still shows the old position, clear its location cache and recheck. Make sure updates persist while you test scenarios. Finish by locking down settings, revoke mock location privileges, disable developer options, and uninstall tools you no longer need to reduce attack surface. Test across the apps you rely on, then reboot the phone to ensure the system uses the real GPS again. If location doesn't update correctly, toggle GPS, restart, and reinstall or update the spoofing app or ADB tools. Also check for battery optimization blocking background updates. Troubleshooting tip: if an app detects spoofing, clear its data and reinstall or try a different spoof method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.